Hello YouTube. Got a little small package. Gotta see what's in it. Okay. This is from Quick Performance. Looks like they have a lot of 9-inch stuff for sale. 9-inch rear ends. Unfortunately, I don't have a 9-inch rear end. But I'm gonna look at this website as soon as I finish here. Let me see here. Thank you. Amazon order. Third bit. Okay. Let's see what's in this package. Okay, these are the axle bearings for my car. It's the bearing and the seal. Bearing and the seal for the other side. Definitely need these because the car is over 22 years old. So I'm not even going to take the chance of just trying to swap out the gears and leave these alone. So I'm going to swap these out too. Not bad, high quality. That's it for this video. So next one, expect for me to find my next order. I need a posi traction. So expect that in the next video. If I can find a posi traction, it will be coming really soon. Till then, I'll see you.